For problem set lesson 6, it says find the total volume of the figures and record your solution strategy. Now on this first one, I'm thinking I can just write multiplication sentences for the volume, because 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters is 10 centimeters. So that means I would do 3 centimeters times 14 centimeters times 10 centimeters equals, so 3 times 14 is 42, add a 0 to the end, 420 centimeters cubed. Now the rest are going to be a little different because we can't just add up one side. They're not stacked on top of each other. So let's take a look at B. B's a little different. For B, I'm going to have the volume of A. I'm going to put it down here. The volume of A, and then I'm going to have the volume of B. So let's call these A and B. So I've got 7 times 3, and how do I figure out this amount right here? Oh, I'm sorry, it's not there, it's the width. So 7 times 3 times the width, and the width is 4. So the volume of A is 7 inches times 3 inches times 4 inches, and that equals, you can do 21 times 4, which is 84 cubic inches. So that's the volume of A. And the volume of B, I can do 15 inches times 4 inches times 6 inches. And that gives me 15 times 4 is 60. So 60 times 6, 360 cubic inches. Now to figure out the volume of the composite figure, I add the volume of A plus the volume of B. So I've got 84 cubic inches plus 360 cubic inches equals 444 cubic inches. So that's how we're going to do them. You don't have to explain your solution strategy. That's just going to be the area where we write the volume of each figure. So let's call this A. Let's call this B. A, B. All right, so let's do volume of A, volume of B. So A is going to be 4 centimeters times, here's the width, 3 centimeters. And then how far across right here? How can we figure that out? So I hope you're thinking, take 10 minus 6, and that will give me 4. So it's going to be 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 4 centimeters equals, so I guess I could do 12 times 4, 48 cubic centimeters. Okay, volume of B. So B is just right here. We've got 10 times 3 times 2, which equals 30 times 2, 60 centimeters cubed. So to figure out the volume of both rectangular prisms, I will add 48 cubic centimeters plus 60 cubic centimeters equals 108 cubic centimeters. Okay, now for D. So for figure A, we've got to figure out this right here. To do that, I think I can use the 12. See, this 12 is here to trick you. It doesn't do anything for you because they're not stacked on top of each other. They're completely different lengths. So I think I can use the 12 to help me figure out this missing part because I can do 12 minus 6. So that's going to give me 6 here. So let's start with the volume of A.